Okay, so I have to backtrack maybe. My video got cut off. So I'm just going to backtrack. What I did is I'm trying to figure out what these y's are without guessing. So I knew that x was 0, x was -1, and I filled in the x values -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. And for these, I definitely know their y values. And with the help of these y values, I'm going to figure out what g is, what it's growing by. So if you look this way, it's timesing by 2. So that means to go this way, I'll be dividing by 2. And 1 divided by 2 is a half. And a half divided by 2 is a fourth. If you are more comfortable writing those as decimals, again, what I would have is, just without a graphing calculator, 1 divided by 2 is a half. So you could write 0.5. And then if I take a half and divide it by 2, there's the fourth. That's the 0.25. Okay, so what I need for you to do is to take these points. I'm going to graph them over here. So let's see, 0.25 and 0.5. So let's see, -1, 0.25, about here, 0, half, 1, 1, 2, 2, and 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to take these points and I'm going to follow transformation. So pay attention to if it's inside or outside, graph this one, connect the points, and then do the same for this one. And then you're going to do the same idea here, except you're going to write it. So the graph of f of x is shown below. Here are the other two. They've already graphed them for us. So what I want to do is write this equation. So when I'm done, for instance, it could look like my function, and I've added my 7. So what I want to take a look at is how did this change from here to here? And I'm just going to take one point and see how it changed, because that means all the points changed that way. So what I'm going to do is, just a second, just checking out my other video, is from here to here, the point, it went down. So since it went down 2, you can go to your book, Transformations, up or down. It's going to be outside, and down is subtracting. So when I write this, if my original function is f of x, then down 2 means I had -2. And that's it. That is your practice for the homework. Finish it up if you can, and if not, we'll finish it next week.